In this quick guide, you'll learn how to insert audio in LibreOffice Impress, adding an engaging layer to your presentations. Whether you're aiming to enhance your slideshows with background music, sound effects, or voiceovers, I'm going to walk you through each step to ensure your audience gets the full audio-visual experience. To get started, first open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from their official website. Once LibreOffice is up and running, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Here, you'll want to look for and click on Impress Presentation to begin creating or editing your slideshow. Now that you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the View option in the menu bar. Clicking on View will reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, select Slide Layout. This option allows you to choose how your slides will be structured, setting the stage for where you'll place your audio. Once you've selected slide layout, you'll see various options for how you can organize your slide content. For the purpose of adding audio, click on the one box layout. This layout provides a clear and simple structure, ensuring that your audio element can be easily incorporated and managed. With your layout ready, the next step is to add your audio. Look for the Insert option on the top menu bar. Upon clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select audio or video. This option allows you to insert multimedia elements into your presentation, but for our focus, we'll be adding audio. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to locate the audio file you wish to include. Navigate through your computer's directories and select your desired audio file. Once you've found it, click Open to insert the audio into your slide. LibreOffice Impress will embed the audio file into your presentation, ensuring it's ready to play during your slideshow. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio file to your LibreOffice Impress presentation. As a tip, always test your presentation before the actual event to ensure the audio plays smoothly and is at the right volume. This will help avoid any unexpected hiccups when you're presenting. This simple guide has walked you through inserting audio in LibreOffice Impress, enhancing your slides with sound, and making your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.